Today, we are going to learn about Roman numerals. The system of numerals, what we are using is Hindu-Arabic numerals. We have been using Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. This is not the only system available. One of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. For example, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. It is also used for classes in the school timetable, etc. The Roman numeral system is a system where numbers are represented by the combination of Latin alphabet letters. It was the standard way of writing the numbers in Europe during the late Middle Ages. Roman numerals were useful even after the fall of the Roman Empire, but from 14th century, the Hindu-Arabic number system replaced it since it was more convenient. The process of replacement was, however, quite slow. Today, Roman numerals still have minor application. Roman numerals for 1 is 1 vertical line, for 2 is 2 vertical line, 3 for 3 vertical line, and 4 1 vertical line and V. And for 5 it is V, for 6 it is V and 1. All these things you have been learning when you are writing the name of the classes and timetable, etc. Roman numeral for 10 is X, for 50 is L, and for 100 it is C, for 500 it is D, for 1000 it is M or K. Rules for the system. The rules for the system are, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. That is, if you write 2 lines, it is equal to 2. And XX is 20. XXX is 30. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. For the symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of a greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. For 5 it is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. For 12 it is X 1 1, that is 10 plus 2, that is 12. Some more rules. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of a greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. That is, if we write 1 vertical line and V, it is 5 minus 1 is 4. If we write 1 line and X, it is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If we write XL, that is 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. XC, 100 minus 10 is 90. The symbol B, L, and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, V, L, and D never subtracted. The symbol 1 can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M, and C only. If a bar is written on the top of the number, the top of the symbol, then we have to multiply the number by 1000. For example, C bar is equal to 100 into 1000, that is 1 followed by 5 zeros, that is 1 lakh. If we write C bar, it is 1 lakh. Here we have to write the Roman numerals for 69. 69 can be written as 60 plus 9, and for 60 it is 50 plus 10 plus 9, that is Lx and 1x. For 98 it is 90 plus 8. 90 is 100 minus 10 plus 8, that is x, c and v 111. Some more Roman numerals. Roman numerals for 2 is 2 lines. Roman numbers for 8 is 5 plus 3, that is V111. Roman numbers for 14 is 10 plus 4, 10, 1V. Roman number for 29 is X, X and 1X. Roman number for 36 is X, X, X and V is for 5 and 1 is for 1. And some more examples. Roman numeral number for 91 is 110, 100 minus 10 plus 1, that is XC1. Roman number for 95 is written as 100 minus 10 plus 5, that is XCV. The Roman number for 99 is 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 9, that is XC1X. And Roman number for 105 is CB. Roman number for 114 is CX1. And we are going to write Roman numerals for some more numbers. It is 164 is 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 4, that is C, L, X and 1 4. C is 100, L is 50 and X is 10 and 1 V is 4. Roman numeral for 195, 100 plus 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 5, that is CX, CV. Roman numeral for 226 is 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6, that is C, C, X, X, V1. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.